Exterior of building bearing signage, TCAT 5, TCAT Advanced Manufacturing.
Welcome to Chattanooga State and the grand opening of the TCAT.
Speaker is Rebecca Ashford, President, Chattanooga State. Sign reads, ChattState, TCAT Chattanooga.
Advanced Manufacturing Building.
Spectators inside Industrial Teaching Lab.
This facility is not just a building.
Large, bright room with tables, workstations, and adjoining classrooms.
It's a beacon of innovation and progress.
Speaker is Flora W. Tidings, Chancellor, Tennessee Board of Regents.
It represents our commitment to preparing a talented workforce that's going to be equipped for the jobs of today.
Teacher and students in uniform in a medical classroom.
And the jobs of the future.
Inside this building,
Speaker is Bo Drake, VP Workforce Development, VP TCAT Chattanooga.
we're developing the next generation of noble professionals.
Large lab featuring equipment with red and green buttons.
They will become maintenance and automation technicians,
3 men in room with components and gauges.
engineers, entrepreneurs,
A hand uses a computer mouse.
computer support technicians,
Woman in white coat checks blood pressure of seated woman.
medical assistants, business operation professionals,
Woman makes entries on a computer.
and electricians.
Man strips electrical wire with pliers.
One of the biggest advantages of this space is the ability to run our community service project, otherwise known as Tiger Tech.
Speaker is John Jordan, Computer Support Tech Student, TCAT Chattanooga.
This allows us to give back to the campus community while also providing students with the ability to practice live work and own our skills as computer support technicians.
This isn't just good for students.
2 men work at computers.
It's good for our local businesses too.
Several people work on a wood building frame.
They've been telling us for years, quite frankly.
Speaker is Senator Bo Watson, Tennessee District 11, joined by Representative Yusuf Hakeem, Tennessee District 28.
The need for more skilled workers, and now this center is help answering that call. Graduates from these technical programs are going to have the skills our employers are looking for.
2 women work at computers. 2 women in lab coats work in front of a medical mannequin.
Helping our local economy to grow and be more competitive.